going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I forgot to film an intro, but as you can see, the WJ is all dirty. We've been wheeling it all day, and honestly it's done really well. So I have a ton of footage from doing this of some of the different obstacles here, some of the stuff we've been doing. Super pleased with how it's been doing, so let's just go ahead and get right into it. Alright guys, so we're going to take the Jeep across these log piles that we cut down. So the Wrangler does this really easy, but I think it's going to be a little harder without lockers and with smaller tires that have way too much air in them. And these things are slippery. They're all covered in like moss and stuff like that. Super slippery. So let's see if the Grand Cherokee can make it over this. I'm probably going to come from that side this way, and then maybe we'll do it back this way. So these trails aren't really hard or anything, but they're really good to just kind of like figure out what needs to be adjusted on the Jeep a little bit, what needs to change some. I'm getting some like popping sound on the suspension, so I gotta figure that out. I think that's probably my error. So we'll take a look at that, we'll fix that. That's not a huge issue. But the Jeep's honestly performed way better than I expected it to. Like, this thing's done some pretty good stuff so far. Stuff that I wasn't really anticipating it doing. And so I'm super happy with it. Next up, it's definitely a shame not having lockers because we could do so much more and I'm so used to having them. But, you know, it'll have lockers eventually. It's not a huge deal. First thing I gotta fix is the coils popping out, because when I flex too much, those pop out so quick. And so we'll have to fix that. I'm not too worried about that. We'll definitely get it taken care of. But Jeep's doing good. Definitely needs drive shafts because that front one sounds like it's about to go. But we kind of expected that. So I'll call up the guys at Adams sometime, probably next week. Get a few of those set over so that way we can get front and rear drive shafts put together. And the Jeep should honestly be pretty good then. So if you've been watching the channel for a little bit, you guys obviously know my Grand Cherokee. You guys have seen Austin's YJ. Do you guys think we should do a video of the Grand Cherokee versus a YJ off-road and just see how they compare, all that stuff? He's on leaf springs. This is on a 4-link, 3-link setup. I think it'd be a pretty even comparison. This one's on tons and has lockers though. Obviously this one does not. Let me know down in the comments if you guys think so. Also, let me know in the comments if Austin should start a YouTube channel called Little Man Big Jeep. I think it would do amazing. We can make that happen. We can get Austin a YouTube channel. So go ahead and comment down below if you think you should start one. But we're going to keep wheeling for today. Alright guys, so we're basically wrapping up wheeling for today. Jeep did pretty good. Only downside is coil springs. They're popping off the perches just because I need lower limiting straps on them. Not a huge deal. We'll get that taken care of. As you can see, Jeep is filthy. So we're going to take it to a car wash to clean this off so I can pull it in the garage, work on it, put those lower coil returners on, and then we should honestly be good to go. I need drive shafts. I'm going to call the guys over at Adams, take care of us there. We'll get some drive shafts in this thing. Then I think it's ready to go to Pennsylvania and really be put to the test. I'm going to add a hitch on the back. That way we can get pulled out if we get stuck. But I am super, super pleased with how this thing did. I'm not surprised the coil springs dropped out because it was doing that when I was just flexing it at my house. So not surprising, but super happy with how it's going. So thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.